welcome to my channel, Dr. Asmani's Glam Gorgeous. This is Dr. Asmani Bhave Deshmukh. I am a homeopathic doctor and a cosmetologist based in Pune. So friends, over the few months that have gone by, I have seen a lot of people or even my patients or clients or even my relatives, friends having doubts that whether soap water should be used or sanitizer is better to use during this COVID-19 infection. So firstly, I would like to tell you that this is a common question arising in everyone's mind. So basically, soap water or sanitizer, which is the better one to use? So basically that is the question. So what I would like to tell you is few points which I would like to discuss with you regarding this matter. So firstly, basically friends, if you are at home, basically a lot of people during the first 3 months of the COVID-19 infection were at home and you were not venturing out mostly. So basically if you are at home, it is always better to use soap water rather than a sanitizer. That is because soap, that is basically the soaps which we use, hand soaps, they contain caustic soda. So this caustic soda helps in preventing us against the coronavirus infection. Now how does this help is because the coronavirus, the structure of the virus is so that the outer layer of it contains fat. So basically what does the caustic soda in the soap do is that it breaks the fat layer of the virus. So hence it prevents the entry of the virus in our skin over our hands or palms, So basically soap water is the best one to use again for prevention against coronavirus. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap water at least for 30 seconds is recommended during the coronavirus. Now if you are outside, then obviously, and if you are not accessible to soap water, obviously you can use sanitizers. But the sanitizer should be a good one, that is basically a sanitizer containing at least 60% of alcohol is recommended. At least 60 to 80% of alcohol is the level of alcohol in the sanitizers which are protective against coronavirus. If the sanitizer does not contain 60% alcohol, then it is not at all useful, friends. Mind you that. So a sanitizer containing at least 60% of alcohol is recommended and it should be used during the coronavirus infection if you are outside and not accessible to soap and water. Now, some sanitizers contain even more than 70% of alcohol. They may contain 90-95% of alcohol, but that is also not recommended as it may cause a lot of dryness of skin, and once you apply it on your hands, it evaporates. So basically, this kind of sanitizer is also not useful. So friends, basically the sanitizers which are containing 60 to 80% of alcohol should be used during the coronavirus infection. Hand washing is very important. Wash your hands. Even the web spaces in between your fingers need to be washed thoroughly or sanitized, and the back of your hands, inside of your hands, everything needs to be washed thoroughly as you may touch surfaces outside or even door handles, knobs, lift handles. So friends, basically hand washing is very important during the coronavirus infection and shall not be avoided. However, you should use soap and water, which is better, of course, better than sanitizers. Whenever you are at home, accessible to soap and water, do use soap and water thoroughly. Wash for 30 seconds. If you are using a sanitizer, it should be at least 60 to 80% containing alcohol as recommended by the WHO, that is the World Health Organization. It should contain at least 60 to 80% of alcohol. Now, some more doubts I have seen amongst people is that some people think that the excessive use of sanitizers may lead to skin cancers. However, this is not at all true. This is a myth amongst the people. So basically, skin cancer is a different disease altogether. It has a lot of other reasons, a lot of basically other causes that may cause skin cancer. They can be internal also, external also. So basically you need not worry, the use of sanitizers will not cause skin cancer. However, it may cause irritant dermatitis, that is eczema over your hands, or dryness, excessive itching, as I said before. So the use of sanitizers should be judicious. You should not use it excessively, and when it is not needed, use it before having food, and use it when you are going outside or touching anything, like lift and door knobs or something like that. Then you can use a sanitizer, but do not use it excessively. And as I have discussed in the previous video, how you can take care of your skin during the coronavirus, that is frequent hand washing. Always don't forget to apply a moisturizer before sleeping, or you can wear simple cotton gloves and sleep. That will also protect your skin. So friends, we have seen that the coronavirus, during coronavirus, skin care is very important, and I have also told you that soap water is always a better option to follow during the coronavirus infection. Sanitizers also good to use, and they will not cause any kind of disease, skin disease, except erythema or eczema or dermatitis. So do follow these guidelines which I have told you and I have discussed during the video, and I hope you remain protected against the infection. And do follow these steps about skincare if you are at home, and even when you're outside, you can use sanitizers. Do not fear to use sanitizers. So basically, friends, I hope you found this video useful. Meet you again with another video. Till then, stay hook up to my channel, Dr. Asmani's Glam and Gorgeous. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.